All right, you ready? I'm going to show you the secret to my success. Everybody watching? Okay. Want to see it again? I'll show you the secret to my success one more time. That's all you got to do to have gorgeous flowers all the time. Right, so watch how I do this. I'm going to hold it in my left hand. Your mantra is cross to the left, turn it slightly to the right. Pick up another flower. Everything in my shop was sold this way, which is why I was so successful. Cross to the left, turn to the right. Again, you're holding it about 3/4 the way up. You cross to the left, turn to the right. It's just a European styling, just meant to arrange flowers in a nice manner to present to somebody. Just cross to the left, turn to the right. See it? Lay it on top of the easiest way is lay it right in that hand, open that hand, and turn to the left. I'm going to do it this way so you can see a little bit easier. Cross to the left, turn to the right. The one thing you don't want to do is stick it real high up or stick it real low. You want it right there. Cross to the left, turn to the right. I'm telling you, this made me the money in my shop. You'll see why in a minute. Cross to the left, turn to the right. We're going to do different flowers. We've got some domestic, some Holland. We've got mums, we've got stock, we've got your roses. So I'm cross to the left, turn to the right. Every time you add a flower, you've got to switch it into your other hand and give it a little turn, about 1/4 of a turn every time. Cross to the left, turn to the right. Let's add some lilies. Cross to the left, turn to the right. Got it? Now watch what happens. Cross to the left, turn to the right. You're going to add everything on your table into your hand. And you're going to say, my hands aren't big enough. Well, guess what? They're going to stretch. They'll actually stretch 2 inches today. Like, no, no, they will actually, my hands don't even go around this, right? So, cross to the left, spin to the right. You just keep adding, crossing and spinning, crossing and spinning. If you're in a hurry, take 2 stems. You got a couple customers lined up at the front desk. It's pretty already, right? Cross to the left, turn to the right. Biller, I'm going to collar it. We're going to collar this design. This is like a wax flower. It's a nice, see how that's, I'm collaring. Collaring simply means just to finish your design. So we're going to collar it with a little bit of that. Like that, just go around the outside. And then when you've got everything in your hand that you can fit, like that, you're going to take your wire and you're going to wire your bouquet. Also very easy. Everything in flower school is very easy. So now that we've collared our design, we're going to go like this. We're going to take 2 or 3 pieces of wire. We're going to drop it in the middle of our bouquet. See that finger right there? It's saying, hello, hello there. You're going to surround your wires like this. You're going to reach around and pull. And you're going to stand with your hand on your hip to show that you're now in charge of the flowers. They're no longer running away from you. Got it? And you're going to reach under your hand like this and watch what happens. See how I'm doing this? I reach under like this, and I spin my flowers. What am I doing? I'm letting the weight of the flowers tighten this bouquet. And when you're done, you're going to have that. Then, now you can clean all this off. I once did this for the art museum, the Calatrava Art Museum. You're going to squeeze them together like this. If this is the crown, at least that much distance down, you're going to do this. You're going to cut through them like that. Right? How hard is that? Then you're going to pick it up and you're going to squeeze it. See how I'm squeezing its waist, like gain an inch? Right there, see that? That's what we did for the Art Museum in Milwaukee. All white Casablanca lilies standing on their stems on the tables all day long. And the women said to me, Michael, we love it, but it won't last. Everybody knows flowers needs water, so I had to tell them the story about sealing it with crowning glory, and it'll be fine. Now you're going to pinch it like this, and you're going to tap it. And you're going to focus on the middle of the bouquet, driving it up. And after you tap it like that, it's going to open up into a beautiful bouquet. These are great in fall to be standing on your dining room table. Then you clean off all the stems and wrap a piece of ribbon around it and have streamers coming down your table. Got it?